In this lecture, we will discuss about the meaning of Lambert-Beer law, right? So first is, what is Lambert law? According to this law, the monochromatic light passes through a transparent medium. The intensity of that particular monochromatic light will decrease and the thickness of material will increase, right? कि जो मोनोक्रोमैटिक लाइट को ਅਸੀਂ ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम के थ्रू पास कराने ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਇੰਟੈਂਸਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਘਟਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥਿਕਨੈਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ सेम जो Beer's law जो है, it states that the intensity of transmitted monochromatic light decreases as the concentration of absorbing substance increases. And we combine these two laws together, it called as Lambert-Beer law. ठीक है जी. So mathematical expression of Lambert-Beer law, the relationship between concentration, length of path light and the light absorbing by the particular substance is expressed mathematically as A is equals to log I naught upon I. A is equals to log I naught upon I is equals to ECL. A is absorbance, I naught is intensity of incident light, I is intensity of light transmitted through the sample, E is excitation coefficient or absorption coefficient, C is the concentration of absorbing material in the sample, L is the path length. Okay, so if the concentration is expressed in molarity, E is termed as molar absorption coefficient. If the concentration is expressed in G per liter, E becomes specific absorption coefficient. Okay? Then the ratio of intensity of transmitted light to the intensity of incident light is called as transmittance, and T is equals to I divided by I naught. Okay? If measure the amount of light transmitted after passing through the medium, the smaller the transmittance, the greater the absorption of light. Means दोनों opposite होंगे एक दूसरे दे. Transmittance is always numerical value between 0 and the 1. If it is common to convert transmittance into percentage transmittance, अगर असी transmittance नू percentage convert करना होवे, then ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ करोगे, T% is equals to I divided by I naught into 100%. ठीक है जी. उस तो बाद आ गया कि percentage transmit varies between 100% and 0%. The transmittance and absorbance are inversely related. Moreover, the inverse relationship between transmittance and absorption is not linear, it is logarithmic. So A is equals to log 10 1 upon T. जो 1 upon T ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੰਪਲ T ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਮਾਈਨਸ log 10T. ਇਹ ਲੋਗਰਿਥਮ ਦੇ ਸਪੈਸੀਫਿਕ ਰੂਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਮਾਈਨਸ log 10 into 10T percentage T over 100 आ गया, उसने सॉल्व कर लिया, दैन लास्ट उस A की वैल्यू ही आ गई, ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट की है, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट Lambert-Beer law. नेक्स्ट की है स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर. An instrument used to measure the absorbance by measuring the amount of light of a given wavelength is transmitted by a sample is termed spectrophotometer. And spectrophotometer consists of light source, a monochromator, a sample holder, a light detector. The spectroscopic technique used to assess the concentration or amount of a given sample is termed as spectroscopy. ठीक है. इसके लाइट सोर्स होंदा, वाइट लाइट आ रही है, मोनोक्रोमैटर है, थोड़ा सैंपल पे है, सैंपल के पास होगी, लास्ट के डिटेक्टर है जितों तुसी अपना जिहड़ा है सैंपल है उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे, थोड़े को रिजल्ट आ जाऊगा स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी का. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द बेसिक्स ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, इट्स बेसिक टाइप्स, देयर प्रिंसिपल्स, Lambert-Beer law, how it works, and the basic instruments. Now we will move to this in our further lectures. We will discuss about the specific, or we explain each and every type in a more accurate manner, in more detail, to gain more knowledge among the particular topic. Thank you so much. If you have any query, then please contact me. Thank you so much.